Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another AFG family video. So guys, today we're going to prank my dad. Yes, you heard it right, we're going to prank my dad. We're very sorry, Daddy.
Sorry, Daddy.
Yeah. We are very sorry. We would never disrespect you, we would never disobey you. This is just a prank and I hope you can forgive us when you understand this is a prank. And guys, this prank is based on annoying our dad as much as possible. And our dad's coming soon, so we need to hide the camera, we need to get ready. And so yeah.
Stay with us and don't go anywhere.
Yeah. So guys, I fixed the camera. I hope it's in a good position. I hope you guys can see us. Hello. My mom just called my dad and she said that he's on the way. He could be here any second, like literally any second. Oh,
that's true.
Yep. It's gonna be so.
Guys, stay with us. Guys, stay with us.
Stay with us.
Stay with us. Don't go anywhere.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Daddy.
How are you?
Hello,
Allah.
how are you?
How are you? Yes, Mama.
Mama's fine.
Okay, let me change it for you.
Okay.
Oh my God, Daddy's actually here. My dad's just changing clothes. He's gonna come soon. Oh my God. Guys, I'm going back. Come this way. So guys, my dad's changing. He can come any second.
Okay, guys.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, sit down. That's fine. Thank you.
Guys, you know something?
Yes, sir. Can you put this man, please? Usman! Look at this Usman.
Asman. Yeah.
Usman. You didn't give me a kiss you want today. Oh, so good. You're stronger, I'm stronger.
No, I'm sorry.
I'm stronger.
Yeah.
Look. Oh, you're very strong. That's enough. That's enough. You're very strong. MashaAllah. You told me you're strong. You sound.
There is no sound.
Now maybe I'll strong. Show me how strong you are. Come, let me. I'm stronger than you. You sound.
There is no sound.
There's someone that's strong. You're not that strong. You're not that strong. Oi, oi. Boss, you. Oi. You want to near to break my hand.
Sorry, Daddy, there's this some
Jimmy,
Emil fruit. Okay, I just.
what happened?
Emil threw the
You strong and I'm strong.
the remote and it
I'm
doesn't work.
trying to eat food.
See, I don't know if he threw it and they wouldn't work.
Amir, did you break it?
Yeah, today
Very
when we were
naughty.
watching, when we finished online school, we were trying to watch as well. It wasn't.
No, you're trying.
You're sure, yeah.
You see, he broke it.
You broke it?
I know.
You are such a...
I
I
know.
just cannot watch it just like that, don't worry.
Okay.
I can just watch it like this. I can read it. I type.
But I know how to charge.
Not charging anymore.
What is this thing?
What time is it?
Oh. Shoot the rock places.
Sure.
Are we going to do this?
Okay. 1, 3, 2, 1. First the 3, okay? 3, 2,
Mama.
1. Rock places. Shoot.
Sabi Sajad.
I won. No, beat you. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Sajad.
Oh, it's a draw.
Tell her to move from the tree. Move from the tree. Mama, this session we watch it 3 times or 4 times. Who is the guy who's been arrested?
What game should we play now, guys? Emil, this one is open Spider-Man.
Mama, sit here.
Okay,
Daddy,
come.
sit here. Watch there.
Cheese.
I'm Spider-Man.
Cheese.
Habib, Habibi, Muhammad. Muhammad. Muhammad.
Who's too strong?
Muhammad. Muhammad. Sit there. Habibi, sit there.
I'm just a mother.
Sajad, can I have water, Habibi?
Okay. Daddy, do you want it in a plastic cup, a tea cup?
Anything, do anything.
Okay, but like, do you want it in plastic, tea cup?
Where's my phone?
Bobby,
I have it.
Okay,
It's
okay.
Who is that person? Where they are taking him, Mama?
Oh, I think it's a trap.
Oh, it's a chocolate can.
I am here. Hi. Hey, you.
What is
It's
this?
your water. It's your water. It's after style.
Oh.
This is like what I did.
So you have to get me the spoon as well, the wooden one.
Okay, guys. Hold on.
You want the one? That's Artugo style, okay?
And come, let's play. We walk around.
Ooh!
Come on, let's play. Hey, I'm holding you. Okay, I'm cutting. Oh no!
That's how you eat.
No, Mum cooked it, but we haven't ate. We were waiting for you. Come.
Ooh, that was bad punch.
Come.
Muhammad, have you moved from the TV? Can we move from the TV?
Oh, man.
Muhammad, move Habibi Kalbi from the TV?
Oh, thanks. Come on, right here. Let's play. Yeah.
Sajad, you don't want to watch the TV?
Yeah.
Amir! I will stop it. Now, Sajad, stop it, Baba. Please, what is it? Guys, what's wrong with you guys today? Mama, go and call your mom.
Okay, guys.
What?
Mom!
So, if not, then let's go watch, make the movie. Because I'm in YouTube movie, yalla. Let's make the movie, yalla.
And you don't play cricket? Come let's play cricket.
What, Muhammad, so the movie?
Come let's play cricket.
The mom was coming.
Go cricket.
Why are you coming today? Look are you doing?
Come.
I'm telling him, I'm telling him, keep quiet, move
Sorry, Daddy, it's a prank.
It's right. It's the prank.
The camera's over there. The camera's over there, it's a prank.
You guys are thinking the revenge of me, huh? I'm saying, what's wrong with you? You're bringing, I'm telling you. It's a serious, guys.
Yo, it's a serious prank.
That's the camera
We
right
pranked
there.
ya.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you feel? We pranked you. We hit it right there in the corner. Did you not see
You
it?
didn't even tell me. Look, even Amir didn't tell me. Oh my God.
Was it a good
That
prank?
was very good prank, guys. How you can get a prank on me?
Sorry, Daddy. Can you forgive us?
Yeah, that's fine. I know. Now you guys are working for YouTube, so you gotta look, guys. They took the revenge of me there.
Yeah.
Last week I made prank on them. Now they made prank on me. So yeah. My children, it was never like this, you know, when I tell them sit down, they sit. But today I was telling them they were sitting.
Yeah, we would never disobey you, never disrespect you
But
ever again.
It's good I didn't lose my patience. That was nice of them as well. They were listening, but they were behaving something crazy today. And look at
Okay.
this. I never drank water. Yesterday he's telling me that's alcohol, right? And I drank water even in this. But anyway, okay. Guys. If you guys did wrong, I forgive you.
Thank you.
But we will talk about prank on you guys next time.
Okay,
Okay.
so guys, yeah, we would never disrespect our dad. We'd never
Amir,
disobey
come,
our
Amir,
dad.
Amir.
Come.
Yeah,
Amir,
Amir, come.
That's right as
Yeah,
well.
we would never disrespect, we would never disobey our dad. And so if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and also if you make sure you guys don't forget to smash the notification button. We love you all. Bye. Oh, sorry guys, I just forgot to say that the remote does actually work. I just flipped the batteries around.
Oh my God, Sajjan, you guys are very cheeky. They changed the battery in the remote for me that the sound doesn't work.
Sorry, Daddy, once
Sorry,
again.
Daddy. Okay.
Okay, bye.